Good morning, class. In our previous classes, we have studied about various types of number system, which were binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. In our today's video, we would be learning about conversion of these number systems from one format to another. The first conversion is a binary number to be converted into decimal number. Now let us see how it is done. If a binary number is given to you over here, suppose the number given to us is written in red, that is 111001. How we found out this is a binary number? That two factors. First, it has only two digits, 0 and 1, and secondly, it have 2 written in the base. So if base is 2, the number is binary. Okay. Now this binary number have to be converted into a decimal number. So how to do that? The first step is, let me zoom in and slide it over here for you. Okay, the first step says write the numbers in the power of 2, like 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and so on. Why 2? Because the given number is a binary number. Then you can write the equivalent value, like 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, and so on. During exam, this is a small tip for you. During exam, if you don't want to waste time in calculation, so you can directly learn the values. 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 5 is 32, and so on. Okay, after that you would be writing the binary number given to you. Okay, binary number is not written like another number, it is written from the right side to left side. So we would be starting from here, and this one would be taken 1 0 0 111 1 0 0 111. Now you will find two remaining places there where we would be having no value, so we would be placing 0, because at the place of no value we can write 0, so it is appropriate. Now the third step says that we have to multiply. And multiply how? You can see the row in the second step, and you can see a row in a third step. The row of the second step is multiplied with the row of third step. Like this 1 is multiplied with this 1, 2 is multiplied with this 0, 4 is multiplied with this 0, 8 is multiplied with this 1, 16 is multiplied with this 1, and so on. Okay. So you can see 0 into 128 will give you 0. So there is no need of calculation. 0 into 64 will give you 0, but 32 into 1 will give you 32, 16 into 1 will give you 16, 8 into 1 will give you 8, 0 into 4 is again 0, 0 into 2 is again 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Now over here you can see number written as 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 1. How to check that your answer is correct or not? It is a very tricky thing, but a very easy thing also. Count the number of ones in the given binary number. This is the binary number, it is having 4 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1 is used 4 times. And when you will be in the second last step over here of adding the number, you will only see 4 values, like 1, 2, 3, 4. First value is 32, second value is 16, third value is 8, and fourth value is 1 itself. Why 4 values only? Because 4 ones were there, and in another cases 0 were there, and 0 into any number will give you 0. So as many number of ones are there, those many numbers should be there in addition also. And on adding all these numbers, you would get a equivalent decimal number, which is 57. That is sum of 32, 16, 8 and 1. Now, if you find this method a little bit tricky, there is an easier method also. See how it is done. This is the second one, or second method. Let me give you an idea how to solve this one. Initialize the previous total with 0. That is, initially you can think that your complete value of decimal is 0. In the second step, write the binary number. Double the previous total and add each bit. You're getting my point? See. Let's start from this one. 0 into 2 plus 1, because 1 was written over here, so we got 1. Another number, 1 into 2, because we have to double the total, plus 1, this one will give you 3. 3 is the total now. 3 double 3, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus this one 7, and gives you 7. 7 double again 17, 7 to the 14, but 0 was added, so it gives out 14 only. Again 0, 14 is doubled to 28, 28 plus 0 is 0 itself. Again double 28, 28 into 2 is 56, 56 plus 1 is 57. Let me repeat this method for you. We have to do nothing but just double the total and add the binary number given. Double the total, add the binary number given. Total in the beginning is taken 0. So the first number again is 0 into 2 and this 1 is added. Gives you the result 1. Now 1 is the total value. 1 is to be doubled, so 1 into 2 plus this 1. So overall value 1 into 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Now 3 is the total. Double the total. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus this 1 is 7. Now 7 is the total. Now again double the total. 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 0. 14 only. Again double the total. 14 into 2, 28. 28 plus this 0 is 28. Again double the total. 28 into 2, 56 plus this 1, 57. So totals are doubled until all the values of your binary numbers are complete. So these are two methods to convert binary number into decimal number.